On Friday, a delegation from the Tipra Motha party led by former Minister Mevar Kumar Jamatia, including Minister Animesh Debbarma, MLA Biswajit Kalai, MLA Swapna Debbarma and MDC Ganesh Debbarma, visited Arun Debbarma of Phalguna village, who had been assaulted by BJP party workers.
The incidents began last Tuesday during a BJP joining program held at the Khumlung Mongolbar market, where Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha was present as the chief guest. Before the program officially began, 4 members of the Tipra Motha party were allegedly assaulted by BJP workers. The violence continued over the following nights. On Wednesday midnight, the Tipra Motha party office in Jirania Khola was burned down. On Thursday night, the Tipra Motha party office in Kajuri Mura village, Khumlung, was vandalized. In a related incident, Tipra Motha also alleges that their worker Arun Debbarma of Phalguna village was assaulted by BJP party workers. Following these incidents, a high-level delegation from the Tipra Motha party, led by former Minister Mevar Kumar Jamatia, visited the affected sites to witness the damage firsthand. The delegation, which also included Minister Animesh Debbarma, MLA Biswajit Kalai, MLA Swapna Debbarma and MDC Ganesh Debbarma, later visited the injured party worker Arun Debbarma at his home in Phalguna village.
Tipra Motha nengai, Khumulung area go junto saimano, koidin romoi, like atongkong itongka. Tini Mothani senior leader, especially Montri Sahib Tongo, Animesh Debbarma, local MLA Biswajit, MDC Chini Ganesh Debbarma, Chini Swapna Debbarma Tongo Chini MLA. Sing Joto Green Reka, Chini warrior, Khorang Buzaka, very seriously Borono Buka, Abotan Reka. They are in your quite a number of bomb claiming about in Nike. They do it a party office. Soxide Jaka, about some green Nike. Since field Kaika, they are since Hima in the Khumulung area, Taurla, Jampujola, Techini, Manda area, or Chini strong supporter, Chini strong base in IPF, actually in Tipra Motha. Piaba, Abono Borok, Balak in Hinsanango. Jeng coding look out CM program to money. Tagalog, about to look at all CM program in Porevo. Ankago Masamusutin or Tomosin Sino, Brooks House Maka. They are recently Jamazini Kasha Uchobung Tanka. On my clay, Brok Orni Korimir, Orni BGP, Koizon Tong Bisia, Jung Jotan Simona, Brok Acta Wansoka, J. O. Khumulung at a stronghold Chini, Tipra Motha. Open Borok, Sabina Bogchasta Kaitongo. So, Borom Kobo Kanaka, Kabamor and Montri, Borneta, Cox Samos and Kanaka, Brok Nikox and Arun Buju, the Brok Cook Tamsanai, Hingsuk Untonting Bagui, they all Kumulu number of Blakano, Target Kaiton Robertson Saimaka, Antini was Hanamuso, Sintabok Tipra Motha, BJP in Ellen's government Tongo. Here was in high levels and Abok in Kamgas Laimiako. Ang Kakochin Kormirona, Abun Sanai, but in BJP, in Tipra Motha to Jotan Sanai. Sing Nayo development, peace. Khumulung Kahachini, Tiprasanaba in headquarters. Sungoto Khumulung base classing or Sing Kasau in development. Sing Tipra Motha wants to they would develop Kane. They was in your hospital Koto Kane, college Kane, university Kane. What's the one so it in Mubagramo one so. Piava Amano and Kakao. Koijon Borok Tong now, Daga, Borok Abon Raimia, Tachini, Tipra Motha, the Khumulung base number of Sosun target Kaitabo, Abalaka Durbago, and over the Hanai, that is in Bobby Shoto, Omaha town to Sintini, Chinibuagra, Sosun Shaiton to peace and tranquility, the development. Sinkevon Agat Kanemusugia, Sinkeva by Chin National Namusugia, Sinkobon Diose, Tintiba Sarok, Tini. Solution, but in a permanent solution, but in a odicard that in my young to money. I was also in Simon. Since that the Ramotam Saitong, Tamas in Samakaiton, I was not clearing it. Piaba, Chini, the Tabok, to look to Chini, I caught Mantimating with Ocean. The Browson, the Brasa, I caught Simon about hopeful, but positive our movement Tongo. A Abrano Bubrok and Kakao about Kasana Bagay. Jate Tipravo, Bishim Klato Bogui, Joronio, Ulmal Nangai, Jate, attention no divert can never just Haitongo, about field Haja, Bonibo Angomus Hanai, जों Tipra Motha ताबो जों थिक दंगो जों कयनाय जरनियो मासा मुसु बरक जों खोनागा बन थानियो छिलाई दंगो छिले पाहातो बुम दंगो ए अब हायरनो आई रिक्वेस्ट खायनाय चिनि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बा होम मिनिस्टर अब नायनि खाय अब न मारमनाय ओके जों नुखा अनेक बरक जों साइकेल राखा बन थानि आर्म्स दंगो स्मॉल आर्म दंगो मन थानि बुम दंगो हाइ दंगो अब बरक बेलेके वनामा सिंसा बरक ओपन लिबरक सालका थाका थां बरक अब तै गुरै दंगो अब जों पुलिसनोबो साका बोरैबागै आं सानाय जे साथे जों फायदि जतन अरन जतन जों तिप्रासा जों जतन हामफायनायो जों जतन उन्नति नायो बै गोजां खाय दंहांख्लायसि जोंनि एलाका डेभलपमेन्ट जदा पीस गरै जोंनि ब्लाइ दुबबाय जों नुखाव सांरोबो कय मास सिगां अमाय गोबां गथनाङै दं खुमलुं एरियाखौ तांनो बगै जोंनि खुमलुंनो जों जाफाय दंमोन अर जोंनि हेडक्वार्टार जोंनि तिप्रा सानियावबा एकटा केपिटेल फियाबा कयजन बर दंगो जे अ खुमलुंनो जाते गन्दल खालायै बिसंखला खालायते अर डेभलपमेन्ट स्टप खायना बगै प्रस्ताव थाखाय दं अब बेलाय दुर्भाग्य आं कयनाय जतननो बिसोर तिप्रासन कयनाय नों जेखुनु पार्टी बाखायदि नों सिपिएम देखाय दे कांग्रेस देखाय बीजेपी देखाय मथा देखाय अबुया जिनि लक्ष्यखै जों सेफ सिकिउरिटी जों मा दंनाय स्पेशली खुमलुंनो जों डेभलप मा खायनाय खुमलुं जों डेभलप खायहांलाय जिनि जों नाहरमानि जिनि तिप्रासन इमां अब सक्सेस जों हांनाय अब आं कयनाय आरो जतनो आगामी दिन फाइनाल सालाव जों थानसा खालायो जों हामजालायमा बिसिंतै जों नागालायमा बिसिंतै जों तिनि अ खुमलुंनो जों डेभलप खायनाय
The Tipra Motha leaders have formally demanded that strict legal action be taken against all perpetrators in the alias. Khumulung remains tense with both the BJP and Tipra Motha trading allegations about the spate of political violence. Pure report, Chini Khorang.